Good morning, children. Today we are going to do comprehension only. Another comprehension. The name of the comprehension is what? Last year's summer vacation. Last year's summer vacation. Now, due to Corona, you must have not been going anywhere in the vacation, right? Due to Corona, you must be at home only with your parents because schools, colleges, everything was locked down due to COVID. So everybody must be in the house. But over here, few children are sharing their experience of last year's summer vacation. How did they enjoy last year's summer vacation? So, in vacation, when there is a vacation time, when you are free from your school, long vacation you get from the school, after giving your exams, you get the results, you go in the new academic session. So, in that gap which is there, you enjoy the vacation, you go out somewhere for outing, or you go at your native place, your cousins come at your place. So, over here, few children are sharing their experience about last year's summer vacation. So, shall we start? Yes. My summer vacation last year was exciting. Here, what it is saying, here the child is talking about himself only or herself, okay, how the summer vacation was of last year. Two of my cousins came to stay with us. We had a lot of fun together, but the best part was the tree house. Okay, now where the child is saying about the summer vacation, that last year summer vacation was very exciting. Why it was exciting? That also he said that two of his cousin came to stay. Two of the cousin came to stay and they had lot of fun together. And what was the best part was the tree house. Now you must be thinking, what is the tree house? That also I'll explain you what is the tree house. My father helped us build a tree house on the huge peepal tree in our backyard. Now where this child was staying, there was a cottage type. So behind the cottage, behind the bungalow, there was a backyard. Over there was a huge peepal tree. What it was? A huge peepal tree. We spent most of our time up there. How did they spend their time? Most of the time they were spending over there with the cousins. Every morning we used to carry a large packet of food for breakfast, which we shared with the birds and the squirrels. Now what they were doing over here, they were carrying a large and huge packet of food for breakfast, which they shared with the birds and the squirrels. We kept some storybooks and board games. What they kept over there? Some storybooks and board games to keep us busy. But what we actually did was talk. They took the books also, storybooks also, games also. But what was the best part? They were just talk only. We just talked and talked. What they were doing, they were just talking and talking about our different schools, our friends, our hobbies, and so on. And they were talking about different schools, friends, hobbies, and so on. Evenings were really beautiful. Now, why the child is saying the evening was very beautiful, that also we'll see. We enjoyed the bright colors of the sunset. Now, have you seen the bright colors of the sunset? How the sunset, when the sun sets, how it spreads the bright color, orangish color type. Yes. So, bright color of the sunset. As it became dark, millions of stars would come out and twinkle at us. And in the night time, we see stars which twinkle in the sky. Then our grandmother would call for us to come in before it grew too dark. And who used to call them? Their grandmother. Why? Because before it is getting too dark, everybody should reach home now. Yes. So the vacation was great fun. What was the vacation? The vacation was great fun. The vacation was a great fun. So I hope this passage you have understood, children. Now I will explain. I'll go with the exercise part. Take the correct choice. Take the correct choice. The main idea of the story is what? A. Talking. B. Mischief and fun. C. The tree house. So the main idea was what? A. The tree house. So we'll put a tick on the tree house. The children used to remain in the tree house during the day, in the morning, at night. Over here, the children used to remain in the tree house when? During the day. During the day. Which one of the following did the children enjoy the most? Board games, twinkling of the stars, talking to each other. Talking to each other. See, children, this is the passage. From this passage only we have to select, your questions are given and we have to select the answers. The first one was what? The main idea of the story is tree house. See, here is the answer, tree house. The children used to remain in the tree house when? So they used to remain in the tree house during the day. Where they used to remain? In the tree house during the day. And then our, what is the third one? Which one of the following did the children enjoy the most? So talking to each other. What they did? Just talk and talk to each other. What they did? Just talk and talk to each other. Now list at least 5 things that the children did in their tree house. Now we have to list the 5 things that the children did in their tree house. Chalo will tell me from this passage only we have to remove the 5 things and we have to list them what they did in the tree house. So after the tick the correct choice, now we will do another exercise. List at least 5 things that the children did in their tree house. List at least 5 things. Now you can see over here the passage is given how the children enjoyed the tree house in the last summer vacation. What did they do? So now we are going to write point wise one after another in the list. We list them how they enjoyed the and what they did in their tree house. Shall we start? Okay. The children spent most their time in the tree house. Correct? Right? Most of their time they spent in the tree house. They carried large parcels of food. See, you can see, spend most of the time in the tree house. They carry a large packet of food for breakfast. So they carried a large packets of food as breakfast, which they shared with the birds, and squirrels. They kept some storybooks and board games. They kept some storybooks and board games also to keep them busy. They talked to each other. What they did? They talked to each other. They talked to each other about their schools, what they were talking about, different schools, friends, hobbies, etc. During evening, they enjoyed the bright colors of the sunset. What they enjoyed? The bright colors of the sunset. They enjoyed the bright colors of the sunset. Then they would watch the stars. And in the last, what they did? They watched at the millions of the stars. What did they do? They watched a million of the stars. So once again, we will read the passage. The children spent most of their time in the tree house. They carried large parcels of food for breakfast, which they shared with the birds and the squirrels. They kept some storybooks and board games to keep them busy. They talked to each other about their schools, friends, and their hobbies. During evenings, they enjoyed the bright colors of the sunset. Then they would watch the stars. See, children, from this passage only I have taken all the points, right? So it is very easy. If the passage is in front of you, it will be very easy in writing such a big answers also of 5 to 6 lines. You can write completely with the 5 to 6 lines of the answers from taking it from the passage only, from the above passage. Now we'll go to the next exercise. Rewrite these sentences using the verbs in their present form. Rewrite these sentences using the verbs in their present form. These verbs are given in the past form. We have to write in the present form. We had a lot of fun. So had you can see over here is what? It is a past form. We have to write in the present form. So it will be we had a lot of fun. We had a lot of fun. Two friends stayed with us. Two friends stayed with us. So what is the answer over here? Two friends stay with us. Present form stayed ka will be stay. Present form had it will be have. Third number, we talked a lot. Talked. So present form is talk. We talk a lot. Fourth, it grew dark. So grew is the past. Present it is grows dark. It grows dark. Grew ka it will become grow. Fifth, grandmother called for me. So called is the past and calls is a present. So granny calls for us. The vacation was great fun. So was it will become is. The vacation is great fun. The vacation is great fun. So once again we'll read the sentences, children. We are writing the present form of the past form. We had a lot of fun. We have a lot of fun. Two friends stayed with us. Two friends stay with us. We talked a lot. We talk a lot. It grew dark. It grows dark. Grandmother called for us. Granny called for us. The vacation is great fun. The vacation is great fun. So dear children, I hope you have understood this passage. Comprehension. You have understood the exercise also. You have to complete this comprehension in your grammar notebook with neat and good handwriting. What you have to do? Yes, you have to write the passage also and exercise also in your grammar notebook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.